That persistent pins and needles feeling in your hands, the unnerving wobble in your legs when you stand up too fast. It's more than just a minor annoyance. For too many people, it's a daily mystery that slowly chips away at confidence and freedom. You might blame it on age, a bad night's sleep, or just one of those things you have to live with. But what if it's not? What if your body is sending you a clear signal, a desperate plea for a specific building block it's running out of? The secret to reclaiming your stability and comfort isn't hiding in an expensive prescription bottle or a complicated therapy session. It's likely waiting for you in your own kitchen, disguised as some of the most delicious and simple foods you can imagine. This isn't about some fleeting beauty trend. We're talking about collagen, the body's essential protein glue. After the age of 60, our natural supply dwindles dramatically, and the effects are profound. Collagen is the invisible scaffolding that keeps your joints cushioned, your nerves communicating properly, and your movements fluid and pain-free. When it runs low, things start to feel shaky, stiff, and disconnected. The good news is you can fight back. The following snacks are more than just tasty bites. They are powerful, research-backed tools designed to help your body rebuild from within, easing that frustrating tingling, restoring strength to your limbs, and helping you feel grounded and in control once more. Dark chocolate midnight clusters. Let's begin with a remedy that feels more like a decadent indulgence than a health strategy. We're not talking about the sugary candy bars from the checkout aisle, but the deep, rich, and intensely flavorful world of true dark chocolate. Renowned researchers who have dedicated their lives to studying food as medicine consistently point to dark chocolate with at least 80% cacao as a top-tier healing food. Its power lies in its incredible density of plant compounds, particularly flavonols, which act like a master repair crew for your body. These compounds don't just taste good, they actively work to reduce inflammation, protect your delicate DNA from damage, and even encourage your body to produce new, healthy stem cells. This translates directly to stronger, more resilient joints and healthier nerve pathways. The key is choosing wisely. Seek out the darkest chocolate you can find, one where the bitterness is a sign of its purity and potency, not something to be masked with sugar. Once you have the right kind, creating a collagen-boosting treat is remarkably simple. Gently melt a generous piece of this chocolate over low heat, letting its rich aroma fill the air. Stir in a handful of roasted almonds, which provide the essential amino acids your body needs as raw materials for making its own collagen. Then, fold in a teaspoon of dried goji berries for a touch of chewiness and a vital dose of vitamin C, the nutrient that unlocks your body's ability to use all these wonderful ingredients. Spoon these little clusters onto a plate and let them firm up in the refrigerator. What you create is a profoundly satisfying bite where every ingredient has a purpose. The chocolate fights cellular damage, the nuts provide the building blocks, and the berries ensure your body can put it all together. It's a daily treat that loves you back, quietly working to soothe your aches and restore your stability. Gelatin fruit nibbles. For most of us, gelatin brings to mind jiggly, brightly colored desserts from childhood. But it's time to see this humble ingredient for what it truly is, a potent source of pure, easily absorbable collagen. Gelatin is essentially cooked collagen, broken down into a form that your body can immediately recognize and put to use. It is brimming with the exact amino acids, glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline, that are the foundational components of your connective tissues. Think of it as delivering a pre-sorted package of repair materials directly to your joints, skin, and nerves. The science backs this up with impressive results. One study showed that athletes who supplemented with gelatin experienced a significant 37% reduction in joint pain. That's not a small improvement, it's the kind of change that can make the difference between dreading the stairs and taking them with confidence. Turning this powerhouse into a healing snack is both easy and enjoyable. Start by gently warming 1 cup of a deeply colored, unsweetened juice, like cherry or pomegranate, which are themselves loaded with anti-inflammatory antioxidants. Before it boils, stir in 2 tablespoons of plain, unflavored powdered gelatin, whisking until it completely dissolves. For added texture and nutrients, you can stir in some finely chopped nuts for healthy fats or fresh berries for an extra hit of vitamin C. Pour this mixture into small silicone molds or a shallow dish and let it chill in the refrigerator until firm. The result is a soft, light, and easy-to-chew treat that delivers a concentrated dose of joint-supporting goodness. For anyone over 60 navigating the daily realities of achy knees, stiff hips, or that creeping sense of weakness, these simple bites can feel like a game changer. Chicken bone broth. Bites. There is a deep ancestral wisdom in a slow-simmered pot of bone broth. It's more than just soup. It's one of the most powerful and traditional remedies for restoring the body. This warm, deeply nourishing liquid is a treasure trove of collagen, minerals, and the crucial amino acids, glycine and proline. These nutrients are absolutely vital for rebuilding cartilage, repairing connective tissue, and supporting the healing of nerve endings. When chicken bones are simmered for hours, the tough collagen breaks down into a gelatin-rich broth that your body can absorb with remarkable ease. It is the ultimate comfort food, providing exactly the kind of nourishment your tissues crave to mend and strengthen. You don't need any special equipment to incorporate this healing elixir into your life. Simply save the leftover bones from a roasted chicken, place them in a large pot, and cover them with water. Add a splash of vinegar, which helps draw the minerals out of the bones, along with some simple vegetables like onion, carrots, and celery for flavor. Let this mixture simmer on low for at least 8 hours, allowing all the goodness to be extracted. Once done, strain the rich, golden liquid and store it in jars in the refrigerator. As it cools, a good broth will set into a soft gel, which is the visual proof of its high collagen content. To enjoy, simply scoop out a portion, warm it gently, and perhaps add a squeeze of lemon or some fresh parsley. Even a small cup each day can make your joints feel more lubricated, reduce that creaky sensation, and bring a feeling of soothing support to your entire body, helping to ease the very root cause of weakness and tingling. Cantaloupe. Mint bites. One of the most overlooked secrets to building a stronger body is the role of vitamin C. Without an adequate supply of it, your body's collagen production factory simply shuts down. You can consume all the building blocks you want, but without vitamin C as the catalyst, nothing gets built. This is why a simple, refreshing fruit like cantaloupe can be so transformative, particularly for those over 60 who feel their joints getting stiffer and their legs less steady. This sweet, juicy melon is an absolute powerhouse of vitamin C. Just a single cup provides nearly 2/3 of your daily requirement. That one simple bowl of fruit is effectively kickstarting your internal repair system, helping to ease the tightness in your knees, hips, and fingers. Preparing this snack is a delightful and simple ritual. Cut a ripe, fragrant cantaloupe into bite-sized cubes that are easy to manage and chew. Squeeze a bit of fresh lime juice over them, which not only adds a zesty brightness, but also another layer of antioxidants. Gently toss in a few fresh mint leaves for their cooling, digestive benefits, and finish with a sprinkle of chopped pistachios. These nuts contribute healthy fats, protein, and fiber, which work together to calm inflammation and support overall joint health. What you're left with is a vibrant, hydrating bowl that does so much more than taste good. It provides the essential spark your body needs to manufacture collagen, leading to less stiffness, improved flexibility, and greater comfort with every movement. Tomato caprese salad snack. Sometimes the most profound healing foods are the ones that have been sitting on our kitchen counters all along. The humble tomato is a perfect example. While we appreciate it for its flavor, few recognize it as a champion for collagen health. Tomatoes are packed with two key nutrients, vitamin C, which is essential for building new collagen, and a powerful antioxidant called lycopene, which acts as a bodyguard to protect the collagen you already have from being broken down by environmental damage. This two-pronged approach, building and protecting, is what makes tomatoes so effective for maintaining stronger joints and more resilient tissues over the long term. An interesting fact is that your body can absorb even more of this protective lycopene when tomatoes are paired with a healthy fat. This makes a simple, caprice-style snack an incredibly intelligent and delicious choice. To prepare it, just slice a ripe, juicy tomato and layer it with fresh mozzarella. If you prefer a dairy-free option, creamy cubes of avocado work beautifully. Drizzle everything with a good quality extra virgin olive oil, which enhances the absorption of the nutrients, and tuck in a few fresh basil leaves for their flavor and anti-inflammatory properties. Let it sit for a few minutes to allow the flavors to meld. This elegant snack is not only a treat for your taste buds, but also a serious act of cellular repair, delivering hydration and potent compounds that your tissues need to rebuild and thrive. Guava Power Yogurt. Bowl. Guava may not be the most common fruit in the grocery basket, but when it comes to boosting collagen, it deserves a place at the front of the line. This tropical wonder is one of the single richest sources of vitamin C on the planet. A small serving of guava contains several times more vitamin C than a large orange, making it an undisputed champion for anyone looking to support their body's natural repair processes. This matters immensely because if you're not getting enough vitamin C, you might notice those nagging aches in your knees, a gradual loss of strength, or that annoying tingling in your hands and feet. These are often signs that your body is calling out for the tools it needs to maintain its structure. Pairing this vitamin C superstar with a protein-rich food like plain Greek yogurt creates a truly powerful synergy. You are giving your body both the essential catalyst, vitamin C, to produce collagen and the amino acid building blocks from the protein to actually construct it. Making this snack is incredibly easy. Simply chop up some fresh, ripe guava and stir it into a bowl of Greek yogurt. Add a small drizzle of raw honey for a touch of natural sweetness, a squeeze of lime to amplify the vitamin C content, and top it all with chopped almonds or walnuts for healthy fats and minerals. The result is a creamy, refreshing, and easy-to-digest bowl that fights inflammation and gives your body precisely what it needs to stay flexible and strong. Each spoonful is a delicious investment in your long-term mobility and comfort. Kiwi Crunch Snack. Don't let its small size fool you. The kiwi is a nutritional giant. Consuming just 2 or 3 of these fuzzy green fruits a day can completely saturate your body with the vitamin C it needs to kick collagen synthesis into high gear. As we know, collagen is the protein that provides structure and resilience to your skin, joints, and nerves. This means a regular kiwi habit can directly combat the tingling in your hands and the frustrating weakness that can creep into your legs with age. It's a simple, natural way to fortify your body's internal support system. The preparation for this snack could not be more straightforward. Slice up a fresh kiwi and sprinkle a few toasted almonds or walnuts over the top. The nuts provide a deeply satisfying crunch and deliver healthy fats that your body uses to maintain and repair its tissues. For an extra dimension of flavor and benefit, you can add a tiny pinch of chili flakes or a dash of sea salt. This little kick not only tastes fantastic, but can also help to boost circulation, which is crucial for delivering nutrients to your nerves and extremities. This snack is special because it offers a multitude of benefits in one small package, supporting everything from digestion to your immune system, while actively helping your body feel stronger and more connected. Pineapple Nut Bites. Pineapple possesses a unique and powerful secret weapon in the fight against aging-related aches and pains, a special enzyme called bromelain. This natural compound is renowned for its ability to combat inflammation deep within the body. Since chronic inflammation is a primary driver of the joint stiffness and nerve discomfort that often appear as we get older, bromelain is a true ally. When you combine this anti-inflammatory power with pineapple's generous supply of vitamin C, you create a dynamic duo that helps your body repair itself more efficiently and effectively. Together, they support both your joints and your nerves, making movement feel smoother and easing that uncomfortable, tight sensation. Creating this tropical-inspired snack is as enjoyable as eating it. Simply cut fresh, juicy pineapple into chunks and mix them with a handful of crunchy macadamia nuts or cashews. These nuts provide healthy fats and protein, which are essential for rebuilding tissues and maintaining stable energy levels throughout the day. To elevate the snack even further, sprinkle on a little cinnamon, which can help balance blood sugar and adds its own anti-inflammatory properties, along with some fresh mint to soothe digestion. By enjoying these pineapple nut bites regularly, you may begin to notice a welcome decrease in stiffness, a lift in your energy, and an overall feeling of being stronger and more resilient. It's a sweet, simple step toward moving better, feeling better, and living with more vitality.